What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can pay on AliExpress using PayPal. So the reason why people want to use PayPal is because they can get a refund quickly, like if the seller, because there are some Chinese sellers who are not like respectful. So whenever you have a problem with their product, they can be so they can be hard to deal with, and you will have to make AliExpress step in so that you can help solve the problem. So you don't want to go through all this. I know this is like time consuming, so using PayPal on AliExpress is very good. A lot of benefits, and also like sellers, they will do everything they can because they know that you paid using PayPal. You can get your money back quickly, so they can do everything to satisfy you. So so first thing you need to do, guys, to pay using PayPal is to find sellers who accept PayPal, because on AliExpress like offers PayPal, but there are some sellers they don't want to use PayPal on their store. Like they don't want to enable PayPal on their store because they don't want to refund. They want to make it harder for you guys to get your refund back. So but at the end of the day, you will get your refund even if you don't pay using PayPal. It's just how it is. But it's just a little bit time consuming, okay? But on PayPal it's very easy. So the first thing I said, like to pay using PayPal, is to find products that like sellers that accepts PayPal. So for example, this seller, as you can see, if you click on buy now, you will find here PayPal as an option. Click on select payment methods and you will find here PayPal as an option to pay. Okay, you can click on confirm, and then you want to click on PayPal here, and then it will take you directly to your PayPal. But there are some sellers, they don't have PayPal options here. So what you need, guys, you just want to find sellers who accepts PayPal, and then you can use PayPal. That's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you have any questions, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. Please drop a like on this video. So see you guys in the next video.